In this video, we're going to show how to transfer Notcoin from Tonkeeper to Mexc. It's important to follow every step to get this to work, so make sure you watch the whole video. I currently don't have Notcoin in my Tonkeeper wallet, so I will use Toncoin instead to demonstrate the correct steps in Tonkeeper. In Tonkeeper, select your Notcoin, while we will select Toncoin in this video. In here, select the send button. Here, you'll see that an address and comment is needed, and in our example, we will get that address from Mexc. Open the Mexc app. Select Wallet on the home screen. Select Deposit. Search for Notcoin and select it. Now we need to select the correct network, and Toncoin is the one we're selecting here. Now Mexc asks if you want to verify your deposit in an email for safety reasons, or you can skip it. Tonkeeper is a non-custodial wallet, meaning each wallet has a unique address on the Ton blockchain. In contrast, centralized exchanges like Mexc use a single address for all users and track individual balances in a centralized database. For transfers from a custodial exchange like Mexc to a non-custodial wallet like Tonkeeper, you don't need a memo because the non-custodial wallet has only one owner. Just ensure you enter your Tonkeeper address correctly. However, when sending coins from Tonkeeper to Mexc, you need to fill out the Ton memo field. This ensures that Mexc can track the transaction and you will receive your coins. First, copy the address. Switch to the Tonkeeper app and paste the address. Go back to Mexc and copy the Ton memo. Open Tonkeeper and paste the memo you just copied into the required comment field. If you're sure you've copied the right info, select Continue. Make sure Notcoin is selected and specify how much you want to send and select Continue. Remember, it's always a good idea to test first with a small amount to see if everything works correctly. If everything looks correct, select Confirm and Send. Thanks for watching. Just leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.